So Venice, it's beautiful, it's hot, but it's still Venice. Wow. Ooh. I got on the vaporetto. Honestly, I think it was the best decision. It was quiet. There was breeze inside, although there was no AC, and we only paid 18 euros compared to 90 euros that the taxi would have cost. So if I were to do it again, I would get on the vaporetto. It was very safe, and the only thing is now we have to walk to the hotel with the luggage, but I don't know, it's part of the experience. So it makes it fun. This is how I wear my backpack. I know you've seen TikTok, so I'm a little scared. Less than 5 minutes walking. This is the hotel. It's in a beautiful location. This is the entrance. Hi, how are you? Thank you. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's like ancient. There's a bar. And I think that's the restaurant right there. There's people here. Got to the hotel and I made myself right up. Like straight up went inside. So the lady who welcomed us, she's super nice. She told me about the garden, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. But I saw this garden and I fell in love because I do want to create content for you guys, and this hotel is like the perfect theme. So let's go outside and find the shade so I can drink my water while the check-in happens, and I'll give you guys a little tour. This is a beautiful garden. This is Greek, Roman, I think it's Roman. Wow, look at this. It has, oh, I could sit here. Wow, this is beautiful. And then it has this, it has a fountain. I'll show you the other side as I make my way back. Oh wow, it's very beautiful. So there's no pool. Sandy's probably drinking my water inside. And this is the hotel. It looks like a house. Wow, it's beautiful. We just made it to the hotel, and let me tell you, the lady at the front desk, she's Colombian, she was a sweetheart, and she came inside with us and she gave us an explanation of where everything was. That's usually not the norm, at least it hasn't happened to me at a hotel, that they come in and they guide you. So I'm gonna show you around. We have a balcony, let me show you. That's the balcony over there. This is the bed. I'll show you in a second more of it, but this is the balcony right here. And then you get a little fan. Everything's like really retro. It has a closet, hangers, and for this you do have to pay, but for that you get a list with the price right over there. And then
these are the prices for this.
Okay, so you guys can see more or less. Okay, and then this up here is included. The cafecito, yum yum. I don't have one right now. This is the bed. Then here is a little sitting area. It has a book. It's very cute. And then if you leave the key right here, that's how they know you're inside. You can control the temperature. It's very modern. Oh, by the way, it has a TV, and then it has like a place for you to put your luggage. This is the bathroom. Look at this. This is the mirror. Very house. I have the name of the hotel. So it's very clean and detailed. Huge shower, and then we were encouraged to use these products. I forgot the country that they brought them from.
From Sicily.
Sicily. Okay, so they're from here, from Italy. And guess who's gonna use them? So then this is Le Toilette right here. This is a window which leads to an alley. So you close the window. Toilet. Here, which let's check. Okay, so there's nothing there. Oh, and you can change the colors. So neat. Wow, this is really cool. That's really good. Oh wow. Like, this is incredible because I do my makeup and then I'm always guessing like, am I doing my makeup right because I don't have the proper lighting? And then these are the marks from my shades. But so far this has been an incredible hotel, and I think Sandy got a really good deal on it. So yeah. What are we doing next? So we're gonna actually just leave. I'm gonna apply some SPF because I got some sunburn. We're going to go have lunch. We haven't ate anything since breakfast. And then from there, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna shower, and I'm gonna film some content that I have to like work on. So this is perfect. So this is our floor. We have a spa. It's very beautiful. Oh wow. Stairs. Gonna go have some lunch because your girl is starving, and we're gonna go. Ooh, wait, the tide is high. So they recommended us a place called Riviera where they have really good food. By the way, just want to point out the hotel is phenomenal. Like, if you're a content creator and you want something that's locally themed for your videos, then yeah, this is the place. It's beautiful. They have taxis, the canal's right in front. So if you want to get a water taxi, it's in a convenient location. The one that we were at, it had, well, yeah, it had a canal close by, yeah. But this is more
convenient, but it was like land convenient.
Yeah, it was land convenient. Sandy's right. So they do have more restaurants, but it's very quiet here, very peaceful. And that's where the vaporetto is. This is where we're having lunch. Restaurante Riviera. This is our lunch. Hold on. This is one of my favorite desserts. This is called panna cotta. It's delicious. Panna cotta. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I recently went on a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia. I have some vlogs already here on my channel, and I'm gonna be listing the playlist down in the info box. I have so many excursions to share with you guys. I have more Venice vlogs coming up, so I'll see you soon. Take care, bye.
Say yeah. No